Well, we can finally start with the funny thing, and we are going to create our own VPS using DigitalOcean. I have to clarify again that of course you can use the service that you prefer to create your VPS, but take into account that possibly the service that you choose is not going to allow you to perform some things like, for example, install Nginx, MySQL, and PHP automatically for you. If it is your case that you choose a service that does not allow you to do it, so basically I'm going to show you, of course, in the future classes how to install it using the package manager. Just take into account that the process is basically the same. You just need to create your VPS and install those things if you can't do it automatically using your service. This is one reason to use DigitalOcean, of course, but remember that you are absolutely and completely free to use the service that you prefer. Let's start. So the first thing that we have to do, of course, is to go to digitalocean.com. If you don't have an account there, just go to sign up and create an account with those data. It is really easy, in fact. Then, if you created an account, just log in into that account. Once there, you can check here all the details about your VPSs if you have one, your droplets. Just click on Create a Droplet. We are going to use the 14 version because the other versions are not long-term support version, and it means that we are going to have updatings and security updates during more time with this version with another. In fact, in the next month, possibly April, we are going to obtain the 16 version, that is a new LTS version, and possibly I'm going to show you how to upgrade to that version in that time. So just choose the version, then go to one-click apps and select LAMP. LAMP is basically Linux, Nginx, MySQL, and PHP. If you want another things like WordPress, Magento, Mongo, or something different, you can use it, of course, because it's your droplet, it's your VPS, and you are completely free. Then we can go to choose the size. We need the most cheap version. We don't need another version, but if you have a more advanced requirement, so you can choose the version that you prefer. Then we can choose the region. I recommend you the region in the most near place as your client. So for example, if all your clients come from San Francisco, so you choose San Francisco. If they come for Europe, for example, London, so just choose London, okay? We are going to choose New York, that's all. You can additionally create an SSH key to establish the connection between your computer and the VPS, but I'm going to show you how to do it in the traditional way, that is with a root user. We can choose finally the quantity of droplets. We are going to create only one, and I'm going to call this chorus. Just create, and you can check here the progress. Remember that this process can take maybe 1 or 2 minutes, but it's really faster compared with another services. When the process is finally done, so we can get access to our VPS. We have here more details to add a domain, to get access console, to resize the droplet, and similar things. Now, if you copy the IP address and paste it in your browser, you should have the Welcome to Nginx site. It means that it is currently working and working pretty well. So, we are done. We have now created our droplet, and you can see how much easy it was, completely functional with Nginx, PHP, and MySQL. See you in the next classes to see how to connect to your VPS from your computer.